Hello and welcome to my channel Lookem. I am Frank. I am back to the future with my purchase from the Wenger Delémont shop in Switzerland. We will unbox it and discover this brand new Swiss Army knife. The Wenger Evolution series featured the ergonomic Evolution contoured scales, also known as Evo. It was an attempt to increase comfort during the use of the tool. There has been variations of these scales with the Evo grip, with rubber inlays, and even the soft touch, with a silky rubberized coating all over the scales. The Evo wood replaced plastic scales for beautiful walnut scales. The Wenger Evolution S14 was a 85mm knife with a locking blade. It's a variation of the Evolution 14 that was an evolution of the Wenger Traveler. Both of the knives doesn't feature a locking blade. The Wenger Evolution 14 became a part of the Victorinox Delémont collection as the Victorinox Delémont Evolution 14. The Wenger Evolution S14 is a 3-layer knife with the essential tools: a can opener, a cap lifter with screwdriver and wire stripper, scissors, a nail file, corkscrew, awl, keyring, toothpick, tweezers, and, of course, a large drop point locking blade. The mechanism is pretty interesting. You're wondering what makes it special? You have a better grip thanks to the Evo scales and a secure use of the blade due to this lovely locking mechanism. It is not anymore produced, so the only possibility to get one is the second-hand market or new old stock that may still be in some places. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the ring button. It is important for the channel. Thank you, have a nice day. I am still Frank and you're still watching Lookem.